I get this question all the time. What's the easiest way to make money online? I think the problem is the definition or the idea or the concept of easy. The focus really should be on simple. How do I figure out a way to make money online and make it simple? If you have, or let me back up and tell you that there are 3 things that you need to understand. 3 things to focus on. The first thing is you need a proven strategy to follow to make money online, with the focus of it being a simple strategy. And then when you understand that something is simple, or once you understand the process of a simple strategy, the actual how-to becomes the easy part. So let me give you the strategy. Inside of my core training I call affiliating, how to build a profitable online business, I have a 9-step roadmap. It starts with a proven strategy. The first step, or the first pillar, the foundational pillar of that strategy, starts with traffic, generating traffic. That is helpful content here on YouTube. It could be other places like Facebook, Quora, LinkedIn, Twitter, writing a blog even. But I think the simplest way, or even more so than I think, I know based upon what I have done and what I've seen other people do and what I've helped other people accomplish here online, if and when they focus on YouTube, things go from being simple to easy because you know exactly what you need to do. And the first step is to pick a topic. And this sounds complicated, but it's simpler than you probably think, and it can become easy if you just focus on what a topic actually is. Go to Google and just type in how to. And then you can see here, for example, things that I've searched for: how to add a new contact to System.io, how to become a project manager, how to set up a rooftop garden for growing tomatoes. Then there are other recommended searches based upon the things that I have searched for myself, or based upon things that other people are searching for: how to screenshot on a Mac, how to watch the World Series, how to get rid of gnats, how to delete a Facebook account, how to screenshot on Windows, how to train your dragon. That's a movie, so you don't worry about that one. That's not really a topic we're looking for. How to deactivate a Facebook account, or how to deactivate Facebook. Understand that these are all simple questions that people have that lead you to a topic. A topic is simply focusing on a problem, one specific problem around one specific question: how to add a new contact to System.io. Click on that, go and see what information Google is providing to people, and you can see here that there's a video: how to add a contact manually on System.io. So then you take that idea, you take that concept, and you make it simple, or you keep it simple, and you let simple turn into easy by moving on to step 2 and understanding that this is going to require that you understand a few tools, a few things that you need to understand. You need to go find some tools and the technology, and you need the time to understand those tools and technology to build a profitable online business. Because the technology of building a business online requires that you take the time to understand and learn the tools required to put content first and foremost to generate traffic, because consistent content is step 3, and getting to step 3 requires that you understand the tools and the technology and the time required to get to step 3. Before you even start step 3, you need to understand if you want to make a YouTube video, you need a camera. That could be your phone, but it could also be the webcam, like the webcam that I'm talking to you right now on, that's connected to my iMac. Then I have a microphone connected to my iMac. These aren't complicated things. These are just things that you need to understand, that you need to take the time to focus on understanding how the tools and the technology work, and then take the simple process of putting it all together and letting it become easy, and then saying, okay, now I need to focus on being consistent with my content, or understanding that the topic that I picked, going back to Google, how to add a new contact to System.io, going back and saying, my topic is not just that one singular question, but all the questions that people might have around how to use System.io to, in this case, System.io being a tool, or System.io being a set of tools that are required or that people need to understand. If you go down here and you look at the offer, unlimited contacts, sending unlimited emails, unlimited sales funnels, unlimited membership sites to host their training. These are the tools. Like when you log in and you go to a membership site, if you're on school or if you go and you buy a course, this is a tool. This is the technology that those folks that you're buying those products from are using. So you go back and you say, okay, how to add a contact to System.io. These are the things I need to learn. I need to understand these tools. I need to understand these technology on top of the tools and the technology that I need to use to understand to create the content. Now you have set the foundational phase of traffic with those 3 steps of picking a topic. Your topic essentially going to be how to use System.io, and then the tools, the tech, and the time to create the content, plus the tools and the technology that you needed to learn and understand, in this case, to create the content or to demonstrate how to use the tools and the technology. Then when you create that consistent content, and say here in the form of videos on YouTube, you take that stage right there, the first step where traffic leads up to offer or letting people know about your offer, and you create a super simple lead magnet. And by the way, you go to System.io, there's a link in the description. You can grab a free account and then you can become an affiliate, and this can become your offer. This is what I actually call here inside of the 9-step roadmap, where we're looking at the proven top strategy of traffic offer people. This strategy is how to set up the parts, the pieces, the components, the tools, and the technology to build a profitable online business. But inside of that 9-step roadmap and that proven top strategy is a method I call the 49er method. And the 49er method is about digging for gold here on the internet. But in step 2, we saw and we know that in step 2 of the proven top strategy, we need tools and technology and the time to understand those tools and technology. And in this example, I'm showing you how to pick a topic to talk about those tools, the tools that you need to go out and dig for gold. Well, those tools are shovels, and you can actually sell the shovels at the same time you're digging for gold, or you can go dig for gold and sell shovels. And this is what I call the 49er method. There's a link in the description for that as well, where I walk you through that sort of, I'll just say, philosophy. But really, it's a method going back to the proven top strategy, where you come back and you've identified a topic down here, and your topic being the shovels or the digital tool, which is System.io, and then understanding the tools, the technology, and the time to set up a traffic source, which is here on YouTube, and make consistent content, not about YouTube, but about System.io. So then you create a super simple lead magnet letting people know about System.io, and this is meta, but this is the 49er method, digging for gold and selling shovels. When you create your account and get an affiliate account, you also get access to your tools or the set of tools here. And I'll just show you here, when you click on upgrade, it shows you all the tools that you get, and you can start for free, and be an affiliate, but then you can upgrade here as well, which you will have to upgrade as you build your business, because you'll need to add additional contacts. These are emails to a list that you're going to follow up with, or as in the proven top strategy, when you move to step 3, or you add the foundational pillar of people onto traffic and offer, you want to build an email list. So at this point, I hope that you understand and you can see that taking something from simple to easy is progressing through a proven strategy and taking the time to understand each step in the roadmap and come back and don't try to shortcut it. Then understand that each one of these are very important. So when you get to super simple lead magnet, you have to come back to this tool and you have to understand, okay, I have a dashboard, I have contacts, I have pipelines, I have websites, I have emails, I have automations, I have products, I have sales. Well, there's a help button here that's going to be very important. I'll probably spend a lot of time there learning how to use System.io. But come back to websites, I need to build a sales funnel. Well, inside of a sales funnel, just as a way to get you moving forward, simply understand that you're looking at building a sales funnel. The start of a sales funnel is a super simple lead magnet. Then you can add a bonus. There's all kinds of different things that you need to learn under bonus, all the things and the components of how to craft a bonus, how to deliver a bonus. Then over here, you need more offers, because System.io, why it's a great tool, just like any tool out there. And inside of your topic, when you explore your topic, you may find that System.io might not be the best, or maybe there's other tools out there that you want to talk about under your topic. So then your topic is not necessarily System.io, but your topic is about the tools required to build a profitable online business. Or at that point, you can come back and you can say, okay, the tools, the technology, and the time that I need to be over here creating consistent content to finish out this entire roadmap to move from step 7 over to step 8 to automate all this passive income. Maybe System.io isn't the best, or it's not the one that I would recommend after I take the time to learn all these tools, really understand the technology, and then I start teaching it. But then you're saying, okay, well, I get to step 9 to profit and scale your business. Now I'm looking at everything that I need to do inside of this proven strategy, and my focus is on going back to my topic and saying, how am I actually helping people? Am I actually helping people just because I heard that System.io is the best? I know that I can make 60% affiliate commission by promoting that product. Is that actually helping people? And is that what I actually want to do? Do I actually want to help people, or do I just want to make money? And I'm not saying there's anything wrong with either one of them. I'm saying come back to this, wipe this off and clean it off the board, because at step 9, you're saying, okay, let me go back down here to traffic, and then let me focus on what my topic is. Because in the beginning, I picked a simple how-to question, and it was how to add a contact to System.io, which led me to a product. But at that point, you're probably thinking that System.io is your topic, but System.io isn't your topic. And inside of tools, tech, and time, when you start understanding the other tools and the technology out there, for example, AI, then you can go to AI, for example, Google Gemini, and you could say, I need 5 business ideas, or I need 5 video ideas for beginners to get started with System.io to build a digital online business. These are the videos that you were making based upon your topic focused on System.io, and that's great, and you should continue, and you can continue making consistent content about just System.io, but it limits the scope of the people that you're looking for to try to add to an email list, or the audience that you're going to build, for example, here on YouTube. So what you do with this inside of Gemini is you use the technology of AI and you say, great, but now widen the scope of the audience and give me titles for people that might not be product aware of System.io. That just means that in marketing language, they're not aware of System.io, so they're not searching for System.io. So then Gemini or AI gives you a way to make this even easier, because now it's simple. You understand the strategy. You need traffic to an offer, and you need to put people on an email list. But to keep generating traffic, you need a topic that is a little broader than just the product, System.io. And you come back and you say, okay, here are some video titles that cater to a wider audience, focusing on the benefits and capabilities of System.io without directly mentioning the product name. General interest titles. How to build an online business from scratch, the ultimate guide to digital marketing for entrepreneurs. Benefit focus titles. Build a website without coding skills. That's one of the things. If you go back to System.io and you go back to websites, it has a blog. It has a blog function. It has sales pages. Sales pages or sales funnels are just sales pages. They're just pages on the internet. Don't get caught up in all of this and saying like digital stores. A digital store is just a web page that is designed to look like what people have in mind of a digital store. So come back to Gemini and you're looking for these different video titles, but understand that this broader audience, this wider audience is focused on the benefits and capabilities of System.io without directly mentioning the product name. But understand that these titles are designed to capture the interest of people who may not be familiar with System.io, but are looking for solutions to common business challenges. By focusing on the benefits and value proposition, you can attract a wider audience and increase the chances of converting them into customers. Customers for your topic go back to the affiliating, how to build, or the 9-step roadmap for how to build a profitable online business. Understand that your traffic source or building a traffic source relies heavily on you picking a topic and maintaining the focus of that topic. In this case, thinking, how can I keep creating consistent content without losing my audience, without going off in a direction? Don't be talking about something different than what people come to your channel for, and be the source, be the expert, become the expert, or use what I call the LDT model, learn, do, and teach on that topic and become the authority on that topic around solving that problem or maintaining the focus on solving that problem. In this case, showing people how to dig for gold with a digital tool, which is System.io, or other tools that are like System.io, which allow people to understand the tools and the technology to dig for gold. Once you understand this concept, and you might have to watch this video again, or you can ask me in the comments to clarify, you can also check out the 49er method, where I walk through this even deeper, where I show you exactly what I do here on my channel, specifically with 2 products that are digital shovels that I show people how to use to dig for gold. And then step back and say, well, if I want to be in this space where I am showing people how to go out and dig for gold, then I'll pick that as my topic and I'll focus on that topic. I won't come on here and I won't talk about like how to potty train puppies or how to grow rooftop tomatoes or how to do side hustles like deliver for DoorDash. That's not my focus. My focus is on actually how to set up and utilize the technology and the tools to build a profitable online business. That would become your topic. And once you understand that picking a topic starts with just identifying a question or a problem, for example, a simple how-to, like I've shown you here in this video, once that happens, the question about how to make or what's the easiest way to make money online, the easiest way to make money online is by showing people how to accomplish something, how to solve a problem that they have. It doesn't have to be how to build an online business or how to use the tools to build an online business. It can be growing rooftop tomatoes. It can be how to be the best delivery person out there that drives for DoorDash. It can be how to program in a certain language. It could be how to speak a certain language. It could be how to build a house. It could be how to do anything, how to use a telescope to see the moon during the day. Anything like that. Understand that it's just a topic, but the focus has to be staying on topic as you become the expert or the go-to authority for that topic. So the easy way or the easy mode to making money online is to pick a topic, which is a problem, and then maintain your focus on that problem and keep showing up here on YouTube and saying, look, here is how you solve this problem. Check it out. There's a video today. There's going to be a video tomorrow. There's going to be a video the next day. I am the guy for you on this topic. Keep coming back and I will show you exactly what you need to do, exactly what you need to know to solve the problem that you have, to take you from where you are right now with a problem to where you want to be with a solution. All right. Thanks for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.